Lewis structure of NO+ nitrosonium ion. At first we have to find out the valence electron for NO+. Nitrogen has 5 valence electron because it is the element of group 5a. Oxygen has 6 valence electron because it is the element of group 6a, and for positive charge we have to deduct 1. So here totally we are getting 10 valence electron. This 10 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these two atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet for all the atoms. So let us connect. To connect we need two dots. Or one single bond, right? So after connecting we have 10 minus 2, so 8 valence electron left, since we have used here 2. So now we have to satisfy the octet for outer atom first. Here oxygen is the outer atom and nitrogen is the central atom. Oxygen is the outer atom because it is more electronegative than nitrogen. So nitrogen is the central atom because it is least electronegative, or it has the highest capacity of making bond. So this oxygen has 2, so it can maximum take more 6 valence electron. So now we have 2 valence electron left that will come over here. Now this nitrogen has only 4, but this oxygen has 8. That is why we need to move lone pair as bond pair. So we can move this lone pair here as bond pair. Now this nitrogen has 2, 4, 6. So we need to move more lone pair here. So now this nitrogen has 8, and this oxygen also has 8. You can express this bond pair as dash. Look here, 3 bond pair, we have 3 dash, right? At last you have to use a bracket to place these charges. Here charge is positive. So this or this is the Lewis dot structure of NO+ or nitrosonium ion.